And today we are going to discuss about light reflection and reflector. So in previous live classes also we discussed the same topic. So like a small topic, small content. After that, a few questions. Today, completely we are going with the every topic, whatever topics are there. So we are going with that each and every topic. We will see now. Today, some of the brief discussions about light reflection and diffraction. Light is a form of energy which gives sensation of sight. Okay, so in this light chapter, we are working about mirrors and lenses also, image formations. So, reflection in plane mirror reflection. So normally if you are considering this, I'm considering the book. So when the light is incidenting on it, it will be reflected back. So the light which is incident on the surface is called incident ray. The light which is reflecting back is called a reflected ray. The line which is perpendicular to the surface is called normal line. So incident ray, reflected ray, normal line. Okay. And one more thing. So we can see in this topic in incident ray. What is incident ray? The line which is incidenting on the surface is called incident ray. The line which is reflecting back is called reflected ray. And the line which is perpendicular to the plane surface is called normal line. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal line. And the angle between incident ray and normal line is called angle of incidence, and the angle between reflected and normal line is called angle of reflection. Okay, so that is about reflection phenomena. And undeviated line. And normally if you are taking the extended incident ray, the light ray which is extending, see, so I have written everything on clearly. So like this you can see, so everything I have written on the notes. So you can observe this handwritten notes, you'll get it. So I'll be sharing my number, WhatsApp number. Okay, so based on that one, see, this is my handwritten notes. Like that, so each and every chapter I have written. So you can observe the handwritten notes. So in this each and every topic notes I have written. So with my own hands. Like this you can observe. So here you can see the property of light. The bouncing back of the light, the reflecting back of the light is called reflection of light. So here you can see the everything. So this plane mirror where the reflection takes place, incident ray and reflected ray, angle of incident and angle of reflection. So this is the glancing angle of incidence, the angle between incident ray and plane surface, and this is the glancing angle of reflection, the angle between plane mirror and reflected ray, and this is the undeviated line, like extending of incident ray or original direction of the incident ray. So angle between plane mirror and angle between reflected and undeviated line is called glancing angle of incidence. Glancing angle of incidence. So that is about reflection of light. That is about reflection of light we are discussing. So in this, what are the points are there? What are the points are there? Incident ray. Here you can see incident ray, reflected ray, and normal angle of incident, angle of reflection, glancing angle of incident, glancing angle of reflection, angle of deviation, deviated line, and plane mirror. Okay, so this all points I have written. This is my handwritten notebook. So if you follow or you can take my number and I'll type the number so you can check. I'll just forward the number. Okay. Okay, it's fine. So you can take my number 98 498 128 04. 98 498 128 04. So this is the number. So WhatsApp number. So you can get it. All the information on the detail. Even if you message me also, I will respond to your messages. So that is about a reflection of light and the loss of reflection. So here you can see this is a complete my handwritten notes. This is a complete my handwritten notes. You can see loss of reflection and angle of deviation, everything. Okay, loss of reflection. What is the loss of reflection? What is the loss of reflection? So can chart filters. Okay, done. So let me know those who want notes. So if you ask me the notes, I'll share it. Anyway, if you send a message also, I'll share the notes. So handwritten notes. Loss of reflection. So it is free only handwritten notes. I have written nearly 100 definitions. I have written 100 definitions and 100 electricity problems also. Grade 10 physics electricity problems I have written. And one more thing, 4 chapters notes like a light reflection diffraction, light reflection and refraction, human eye, electricity, magnetic effects of electric current. So in light chapter, so again I am telling in the light chapter, so loss of reflection we are currently we are discussing loss of reflection. Loss of reflection means angle of incident equal to angle of reflection, and angle of deviation means the angle between reflected and undeviated line, that is but initial direction of the incident ray. And the next one, regular reflection. Regular reflection means, so here if you take this incident beam, incident beam is parallel but reflected beam also parallel. If incident beam is parallel, reflected, whatever the light rays are reflecting back from the surface, if those light rays also parallel to each other, then the type of reflection is called regular reflection. Irregular reflection means, so incident beam is parallel but reflected rays are not parallel to each other. So that type of reflection is called irregular reflection. And coming to the next one is the object. What is object? The point of intersection of incident rays is called object, or the extension of incident rays, where the if you are extending, if the light rays are coming from see here object I'm considering, so light rays are coming from infinity. Okay, after this a plane mirror I'm taking, light rays are coming and incidenting. Okay, they'll be reflected back and image will form here. So if you are extending, those light rays will meet at one point behind the mirror where virtual object, that is a virtual object. So reflector light rays will meet in front of the mirror, that is called real image. So we are extending the light rays, those will meet at one point, that is called virtual object. So that is about object and image. So after reflection, all light rays will meet at one point on the principal axis, that is called real image. So the extension of reflector light rays are called virtual image. So that is about object and image. And coming to the types of images, there are 2 types of images I said, real image and virtual images. Real image and virtual image. And coming to the plane mirror, a plane mirror, you see in the plane mirror, so the image is virtual, erect and same size. Virtual, erect and same size of the image will form on the plane mirror. And at the same time, here in the plane mirror, it also shows the lateral inversion. So in the plane mirror, okay, so the image will be shown lateral inversion. What is the lateral inversion? Lateral inversion is nothing but the phenomena occurring right side of the object appears to be left side and left side of the object appears to be right side. And here, see, this topic, whatever I am discussing, that same topic will be repeated in grade 12 optics. In Great All Optics, whatever I explaining the basics, whatever I'm explaining the basics. See, we are currently who are studying 10th class. After from June onwards, the classes will start, right? So the school will start. From there, who are studying 10th class, for them it will be very helpful, highly helpful. Bharat, hi, hello, hi, bro. So yes, like that, yes, this is very very important topic, very essential topic to read, because in the coming for JE, for NEET also, this topic will be very helpful, because all the definitions at the same time, all the like see, ray rules and image formations, everything will be there. So even for that exam also, so thank you, Palle Kitchen. So thank you so much for your best compliment. Best compliment. I'm very happy. See, sometimes it's not about how you tell, the way of giving compliments that gives boosting to us. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. Just a small compliment. So it gives a lot of energy. No, to teach more and more, with more energy, with more enthusiasm, so we can explain the topics. So the small compliment. See, if you're doing some work, so where you are very interested, very passionate, very creative towards that, if someone is appreciating you, you feel better. No, even if they are appreciating or not, also you do, but if the small compliment gives a lot of energy. So I'm very happy to see Palle Kitchen, your compliment. I'm very happy to see that. And Bharat, so hi bro. Yes. So coming to the next one, plane mirror. So in plane mirrors, you can see what type of image will form virtual erect and same size. I already said virtual erect and same size. Okay, sorry for that. Again, power goes. So we'll see in the next live. Thank you.